Hey, hi, nice to have you with me in my kitchen. We're going to get cooking today, and what we're going to do is we're going to make some cornbread. So we have all of our ingredients laid out here, so why don't we get started? First thing we do is we take corn and put it in a saucepan. We're going to heat this up for about 5 minutes. This is about 3 ears of corn. I bought the frozen corn in the frozen department, little package, 3/6, I think it was 9 little, 3/6, 9, I think 9 little, half, and then I chopped all the corn off of it. I like to use fresh, but I'm sure, you know, if you want to get canned corn, you can do that too. But it's approximately about 2 1/4 cups of corn, something like that. About 5 ears of corn would work. So we're going to dump this in here and get it started. We want to put this on medium heat. And I might mention too that we've got our stove, our oven rather, already preheating at 400 degrees. So that's when you get your oven going there. So let's turn this on. Put it on medium. We'll kind of keep an eye on this. And in the meantime, we're going to put our dry ingredients all together, mix them together. In this bowl, we have flour, which is 1 cup. So we have 1 cup of flour. This bowl, of course, you have to have cornmeal for cornbread, right? And this is also 1 cup. Oops. And then we also want to put some baking powder in. It's about 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, if you don't like a sweet cornbread, you can cut this back. You know, make it as sweet as you want it, or if you don't want it sweet at all, you can leave it out. It's, you know, your choice. And then salt, kosher salt. I like the kosher salt, the coarse kind better. And then of course we want baking soda, and this is about 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. We'll put that in. Now we want to mix this all up. Okay, so we've had 5 minutes now. It's looking really good. It's nice and creamy and juicy, nice and warm. Now we want to incorporate all the wet things with the dry. So in here, in this bowl, we have 1 cup of buttermilk. So what I'm going to do to get it started is put 2 eggs, 2 whole eggs, and 1 yolk. Of course, as some of you probably already know out there, you can save the egg whites for a cake mix or some other thing that you're going to bake. It freezes great. So if you want to save the egg white, you can do that. Freeze it for the next time that you're going to cook and you need an egg white. Now, I'm just going to whip this slightly, just so I know that the egg is all mixed in. Nice and creamy. Now we mix in our corn. With all this corn in it, you are going to know when you take a bite that you're eating corn bread. Isn't that beautiful? am going to fill these muffins. Use my ice cream scooper. Makes it a lot easier. So there you are. There's our muffins. Now we're going to slide these into the oven. And we're going to look at them in about 25 minutes. Okay, the timer went off. Let's see what we got. Oh, folks, look at this. Look at that. Aren't those a thing of beauty? Those are gorgeous. I hope you will like this recipe. You will give it a try. If you want the full recipe, just go down in the description, parttimерv.com. Look it up. Come back next time. See you later. Bye.